Our 20s are not to be wasted. If you handle business in your 20s, you can really start to build in your 30s. Most of the people we see in life who struggles and cannot seem to find their way are usually the same ones who wasted their 20s working low-paying jobs, overbuying on clothes, food, partying, had kids, but kept repeating old habits. Now they're in their 30s, 40s, and 50s still playing catch-up. Okay? So, my aim is not to scare you or intimidate you, but don't let this be you. Have some respect for yourself. Have faith in yourself and have faith in God. You can still have fun. Just keep the bigger picture in mind, right? Remember, you still have to pay taxes on the money that you make. Remember that you are grown now. This is not high school anymore, right? The only person that we should be trying to impress is ourselves and our bank account, and our parents too, if it's convenient. If you're already in your 30s and up, then you definitely know what I'm saying. If you haven't before, it's time to buckle down. Put your needs before your wants. Sacrifice now in order to live like a king later. Have willpower and don't be so quick to choose comfort over progress. All right, let's say that again. We're making sure to put our needs before our wants and to sacrifice now so that we can live like a king later. We have to have willpower and not be so quick to choose comfort over progress. There's been many nights in the beginning when I didn't idle my truck and different little things I could have did to stay comfortable, but if added up, could have been the same reason why I didn't catch my brakes when it was time for me to catch my brakes. So that's my whole operation right there in a nutshell. There's all the main things that I do are right there to reverse engineer it. List by list, you can go through it with the book and just check it off. And I say right here in the red, we're about to enter into a very important chapter. The next chapter is titled, Which Truck Should I Buy? Never before have I seen so much great and important information regarding to this trucking business in one place. I designed my book to stand the test of time. It has taken me over 10 years to gather this data that I present, and months of actually physically writing and designing my book. I want it to be the gold standard, an easy access education when it comes to getting and staying ahead in the trucking business. My goal isn't to just get you into the business. That's the easy part. Anybody can do that. My goal is to deliver you the mentality that it truly takes to be successful. I want you to have short-term and long-term success, but you have to pay attention. You have to really digest this information that I give you. As you read through my book, also continue to be practicing the auto-suggestion that I showed in chapter 2. We really need to get our mind and spirit ready to receive the rewards that come from putting this knowledge into use. If our mentality isn't right, our chance of making success becomes a lot more thin. We have to have the mentality that can even accept success. And a lot of that comes from just continually doing this auto-suggestion that we learned in chapter 2. Continue to tell yourself who you are, even if you're not there yet. Tell yourself that you're a great deal maker and people love to make deals with you. Tell yourself that you're highly favored, you're highly loved, you're highly appreciated, you're highly respected. Tell yourself that you will have $100,000 in the bank. This is the auto-suggestion, right? There will be a lot to discuss in chapter 5. Why? Because the truck you choose to run your business is one of the single-handed most important factors to your success. I will tell you everything I know about different motors and trucks. I will discuss with you the pros and cons of it all. I will discuss with you about emission motors versus pre-emission motors. I will tell you my personal and business opinions as well. There will be a ton of info packed into this preceding chapter. Come back to chapter 5 as you need to to get more familiarized with all the different motor and truck possibilities. One thing we're not going to do is what? We're not going to buy a truck based off its brand name or because it's newer, right? Or because the salesman said it was a good truck. So let's continue into chapter 5. Which truck should I choose? Tested, proud American trucking entrepreneur tees. Amazing, authentic, essential. Also available in coffee mugs. Oops. Come on, thing. Boom. Boom. Now we'll do it. Alright.